We read the question. We take the next video for explaining the problems based on BPT proving part. So question, in the given figure of triangle ABC, DE parallel to AC, DE parallel to AC, if DC parallel to AP, DC parallel to AP, sorry, figure is given in this question. That is A, P, B and C here. So first line, DE parallel to AC and DC parallel to AP. DC parallel to AP. It's a given in triangle in figure. DE parallel to AP and DE parallel to AC and DC parallel to AP. Question want to prove that BE upon EC is equal to BC upon CP. So BE where? BE and EC. BE and EC are the part of triangle BCA. Always we find the whole triangles with parallel line. So if say solution in triangle BCA, what's parallel? DE parallel to AC. This parallel this. So which two parts? BE upon EC. What you want? BE upon EC, first upon whole. So for this triangle, if we make this triangle here, so let's see, BE upon EC, so here BD upon DA. Equation first by BPT. Then about BC upon CP. So BC upon CP in whole triangle. In triangle BPA. So BC upon CP. Why? Because here DC parallel to AP. So BC upon CP, first upon whole. So here also first upon whole. Equation second by BPT. So from equation first and second, we want to prove them this equal, but here you can see right side also equal. So left also equal. So BE upon EC is equal to BC upon CP. Hence proved. Okay. Pause, we note down. Let's see one more question on the BPT. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC E and F are 2 points on non-parallel side AD and BC, such that EF is parallel to AB, so that AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. Or the same question given the same types. In a trapezium, so that any lines parallel to sides of a trapezium divide the non-parallel side in proportionality. Means the question say suppose this is a trapezium ABCD and a line drawn parallel to parallel sides of trapezium, means these three are parallel. So prove them कि these are in same proportion, means the given part is a trapezium ABCD, EF parallel to CD, also AB parallel to CD in trapezium. So to prove that AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC, or you can say non-parallel side in same proportion. So here we have no any triangle. So we construct any one diagonal join AC for dividing the trapezium into two triangles, and after divide you have to see two BPT. What's two? If we take triangle ADC, this parallel to this, one BPT. If we take triangle this ABC, ADC, here ABC, so this parallel to this, two BPT. But use according to question what we want. So first triangle, in triangle AE upon ED, suppose the point is P. So AE upon ED is in triangle ADC, this parallel line. So ADC, which parallel? EP parallel to DC. So AE upon ED is equal to AP upon PC. First upon second by BPT. Then in triangle CBA, why? We want BF upon FC. So in parallel line this, so take this triangle CBA, which parallel? FP parallel to BA. So we take BF upon FC. Why? We want BF upon FC. Don't see CF upon BF. What you want? BF upon FC. So in here BF upon FC means this upon this. So again here we take the other side AP upon PC. Corresponding sides by BPT. Two triangles form by using basic proportionality theorem in two triangles, then combine them from first and second equation. Both right sides are equal, so from first second its left also equal. Non-parallel side are also in same proportion. Hence proved. I hope so you understand how we solve the questions. So pause the video, note down. Let's see the next question. 10th question. In a joining figure, PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. Figure is given. P, Q, R. So what's the given? You can read the question. PS upon SQ is equal to PT upon TR. Means ratio equal given. And angle PST, this angle is equal to angle PRQ. This angle is equal. So the question want to prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. So let's see. Here if ratio equal given, you can directly say ratio equals lines parallel. In triangle PQR, PS upon SQ, PT upon TR. PS upon SQ, PT upon TR. Directly converse of BPT theorem. Ratio, so by converse of basic proportionality theorem, ST is parallel to QR. And when ST parallel to QR, so angle PS PQR, PST is equal to angle PQR by corresponding angles. This angle equal to this angle. Line parallel, so corresponding angles equal, and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. Given PST is equal to PQR, PST is equal to PRQ, means this equal to this and this equal to this. So angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ from first and second equation. Two angles equal, therefore PQR opposite side PR and PRQ opposite side PQ by side opposite of equal angles. If two side angles are equal, see its opposite sides also equal in same triangle. So two sides equal, hence triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Two sides equal, so triangle is isosceles. Okay, so this is used by BPT and this question used by converse of BPT. We explain both the concepts for understanding, and also for the BPT questions, these types of questions always come, and no other method to solve. Only find two triangles where you use BPT, then combine them and prove them. We take one more example for explaining this concept. Okay, so pause, wait, note down.